Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. This feature allows you to add engaging motion to your static shots or enhance existing video clips. It's a fantastic way to draw your audience's attention to specific areas of your frame without the complexity of traditional keyframe animation. We'll cover everything from activating the effect to fine-tuning its behavior for professional results. To apply dynamic zoom, first, select the video clip you wish to enhance in your timeline. Next, head over to the Inspector panel, usually found on the top right of your screen. Within the Inspector, scroll down until you find the Transform section. Here, you'll see the dynamic zoom option. Simply click the checkbox to activate it, and you'll immediately see the default zoom applied to your clip. 1:4. Once activated, you'll see two green and red rectangles appear on your viewer, representing the start and end frames of your zoom. Drag these on-screen controls to precisely define where your zoom begins and ends. If you want to reverse the zoom, simply click the Swap button located in the Inspector. Additionally, experiment with the Ease drop-down menu to choose between linear, ease in, ease out, or ease in and out for a more natural motion. 1:3:8. For more advanced control, remember that dynamic zoom works well in conjunction with other transform properties like position and rotation. Don't forget to leverage the ease settings to precisely control the acceleration and deceleration of your zoom, making it feel more organic. Always preview your changes in real time to ensure the effect perfectly complements your footage. With a little practice, you'll master this powerful tool in no time. 9.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.